January job we've got here is to plant this raspberry cane. This is my sort of veg patch. We've got a little bit of an orchard over here. I've got some black currant and red currants up here. I've got a fig tree here and one behind me. What I might do is just pop it back here a little bit. I think that's probably the perfect place for the raspberry bush. And then when all these fruits grow up together, this will be a kind of hedgerow of soft fruits, and then we've got our fig, apple, fig. I've created my shape for my soft fruit hedge, which is just going to curve around slightly. Because I've started planting this garden out from grass, every time I plant something I create a kind of bed. I remove the turfs and I've left them on a heap over here. And then after so many months the grass has died away and I'm using some of that topsoil to put back into here. So I'm going to go and do that now. Compost. And I've had this cane soaking, so I'm just going to tease out some of the roots again. And then pop him in here. Water. And now I'm just going to fill in the rest of my bed with the topsoil. You could do this with compost, but it would get quite expensive. I'm just going to cover all that with a nice mulch. This one's been sitting for about 4 months. We've got a chipper, so it's quite easy to make your own if you've got some spare bits to put through. And that's it, that's my soft fruit hedgerow. So I will probably add some more canes between these once they start growing, but I really want to see what they're going to do before I do that. So we've got raspberry, we've got black currants, we've got red currants. It should be quite nice for the summer.